Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to use text to speech on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's start. First of all you have to do is to tap on the TikTok app icon in order to open up the TikTok mobile application. Then what you have to do next is to tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create that video. Now in order to add text to speech, you can use a video from your gallery or either create a video. I'm simply going to create a little bit of video. Once you are done with your video, tap on the tick icon, and now in order to add the text, you have to tap on this text icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you have to type anything which you want. For example, if I am typing, once you are done with your text, simply tap on done. Now in order to make it text to speech, tap on that, and now here you can see that the very first option is of text to speech. So go ahead and tap on that, and after a few seconds your text will be shown as text to speech. So as you guys can see, how are you? Now my text has been converted into a speech. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.